Before we begin, it's important to understand why translating your Shopify store matters in today's global marketplace. More and more customers prefer shopping in their own language, and studies show that people are far more likely to complete a purchase if the product descriptions, prices, and checkout process are available in their native language. Whether you're targeting tourists, international buyers, or multilingual regions, offering translations can significantly boost trust and conversions. With that in mind, let's walk through the process of enabling multiple languages in your Shopify store. Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to translate your Shopify store into different languages, enhancing accessibility and reaching a broader audience. Understanding your customer base is essential, and offering a seamless shopping experience in their native language can make a world of difference. Let's dive into how you can easily accomplish this right from your Shopify dashboard. To get started, navigate over to the bottom left side of your Shopify admin panel and click on Settings. This area is your command center for adjusting various elements of your store. Once you're in, look for the Languages option. You'll find it as one of the categories, and this is where the magic begins. Before moving on, keep in mind that Shopify's language features work best when combined with a theme that supports multilingual storefronts. Most modern Shopify themes do, but it's always a good idea to double-check your theme's documentation to ensure all sections and templates can be translated properly. Once you've clicked on Languages, you'll be greeted with options. One of the primary actions here is to add a language. By selecting this, you can choose the language you wish to translate your entire store into. Shopify has thoughtfully made this a smooth process by integrating their Shopify Translate and Adapt app. This app will automatically be downloaded and is pivotal for converting your store into the selected language without you having to manually alter each element. After adding your desired language, you'll need to specify which store you wish to translate. If you have multiple stores, you'll see a list of options. Select the one that needs translating. Once selected, there's a button labeled Translate. Clicking this initiates the translation process for your store. The handy auto-translate feature comes next. Activating this will allow the Shopify app to automatically do the heavy lifting, translating all the elements of your store into the language you've selected. This feature saves you considerable time and ensures that consistent terminology is used throughout the store. Monitor the progress, and once the translation is complete, you can choose to publish it, making it live so your customers can start shopping more comfortably. Once your translation is live, it's a good idea to browse your store in the new language to make sure everything looks correct. Automatic translations are usually accurate, but product names, technical terms, or brand-specific phrases may need minor adjustments. You can manually edit these within the Translate and Adapt app for full accuracy. As you finalize these changes, don't forget to hit Save, ensuring that all your new settings are secured and active. And just like that, your store is ready to be explored by a broader audience now in their preferred language. By taking these steps, you're not only improving the user experience, but also expanding your potential market reach. That wraps it up. A straightforward process, but one that can immensely benefit your business by breaking down language barriers for your customers. Thanks to Shopify's intuitive design and robust apps, your store can now cater to a global audience with ease. Keep exploring additional features to further customize and enhance your store's accessibility. See ya in the next video. Before we end, here's a pro tip. Make sure to enable a language selector on your store's header or footer, so customers can easily switch between languages while browsing. Also, translating your store can improve your international SEO, helping your website appear in search results for customers searching in their own languages. This simple setup can dramatically increase your global reach.